Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. The channel name is changed due to technical glitch. Get ready for the dictation. The important issue which arises for consideration in the referred matter is whether a police officer is bound to register a first information report bracket in short FIR bracket close upon receiving any information relating to commission of a cognizable offense under section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 bracket in short the code bracket close, or the police officer has the power to conduct a preliminary inquiry in order to test the veracity of such information before registering the same question mark para. A two-judge bench of this court in Lalita Kumari versus State of UP within bracket 2008 7 SCC 164, after noticing the disparity in registration of FIRs by police officers on case to case basis across the country, issued notice to the Union of India, the chief secretaries of all the states and union territories, and directors general of police oblique commissioners of police, to the effect that if steps are not taken for registration of FIRs immediately and the copies thereof are not handed over to the complainants, they may move the magistrates concerned by filing complaint petitions for appropriate directions to the police to register the case immediately and for apprehending the accused persons, failing which contempt proceedings must be initiated against such delinquent police officers if no sufficient cause is shown. Stop para. It is thus unequivocally clear that registration of FIR is mandatory, and also that it is to be recorded in the FIR book by giving a unique annual number to each FIR to enable strict tracking of each and every registered FIR by the superior police officers as well as by the competent court, to which copies of each FIR are required to be sent. Stop para. It is well settled that a first information report is not an encyclopedia which must disclose all facts and details relating to the offense reported. Stop. An informant may lodge a report about the commission of an offense, though he may not know the name of the victim or his assailant. Stop. He may not even know how the occurrence took place. Stop. A first informant need not necessarily be an eyewitness so as to be able to disclose in great details all aspects of the offense committed. Stop. What is of significance is that the information given must disclose the commission of a cognizable offense, and the information so lodged must provide a basis for the police officer to suspect the commission of a cognizable offense. Stop. At this stage, it is enough if the police officer, on the basis of the information given, suspects the commission of a cognizable offense, and note that he must be convinced or satisfied that a cognizable offense has been committed. Stop. If he has reasons to suspect on the basis of information received that a cognizable offense may have been committed, he is bound to record the information and conduct an investigation. Stop. At this stage, it is also not necessary for him to satisfy himself about the truthfulness of the information stop. It is only after a complete investigation that he may be able to report on the truthfulness or otherwise of the information stop. Similarly, even if the information does not furnish all the details, he must find out those details in the course of investigation and collect all the evidence. Stop. The information given disclosing the commission of a cognizable offense only sets in motion the investigating machinery with a view to collect all necessary evidence and thereafter to take action in accordance with law. Stop. The trust obligatory test is whether the information furnished provides a reason to suspect the commission of an offense which the police officer concerned is empowered under section 156 of the code of investigate. Stop. If it does, he has no option but to record the information and proceed to investigate the case either himself or depute any other competent officer to conduct the investigation. Stop. The question as to whether the report is true, whether it discloses full details regarding the manner of occurrence, whether the accused is named, and whether there is sufficient evidence to support the allegations are all matters which are aligned to the consideration of the question whether the report discloses the commission of a cognizable offense. Stop. Even if the information does not give full details regarding these matters, the investigating officer is not absolved of his duty to investigate the case and discover the true facts if he can. Stop. Para. Working of crime leads to dilution of the rule of law in the short run and also has a very negative impact on the rule of law in the long run since people stop having respect for the rule of law. Stop. Thus, non registration of such a large number of FIRs leads to a definite lawlessness in the society. Stop.